Hey guys, I'm Sarah, and today I wanted to give you a review of this GE air conditioner. This is the 5000 BTU unit, and I just wanted to show you how loud this thing runs and give you a quick little review of it. So we're in Kentucky, and we're going through one of the hottest spells of this summer, so we just grabbed this just a few days ago, ordered it on Amazon, had it brought here so that we could quickly install it and cool down our house a little bit. We only have window units, so this is in my son's bedroom, and we just needed to keep it cool and to cool down the entire house. So this is actually only for 150 square foot, but we leave the bedroom door open when it's running, and it actually helps cool the kitchen down a little bit too. So it is all manual operation. It has no thermostat on it. So that's, kind of inconvenient if you're worried about that, but we just wanted to be able to turn it on and off on the really hot days when it's just too hot with the other air conditioners in our house. So this is how it operates. You can turn it for max and minimum cool, and then you have low cool, high fan, low fan, and off. So I'm going to show you real quick how loud this thing is when it's on each of these settings. So you can see the fan is not very loud at all. The high fan, so it's a bit louder. And then we have low cool, which I'm really close to it, so that's probably making it sound a little louder in the video, but it's really not bad. And then high cool is kind of loud, but when it's hot, we're not really worried about that. So there's high cool off from a distance, and you can see that I have duct tape all around the edges of the window, and I know a lot of people don't do this and they just use the use these window shields that it comes with, but I am really OCD about bees and bugs getting in our house, so it doesn't look pretty, but it does the job and it keeps the bugs out, right? This is a really good air conditioner for the fact that it's just doing a small room. It helps with other areas of the house, like adjacent rooms when the door is open. So highly happy that we got this because it is so hot here this week.